Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to reflect briefly on the third of the 5 suggestions offered by the Jesuits as part of their practice of prayer known as the Examen. And so today the third suggestion is ask for the Spirit's help to see yourself as God does. What a beautiful way of phrasing it. And so we ask, how does God see us? I believe that when God sees us, God sees someone who is fundamentally, basically good, that we're loving, that we care about other people, that we try to do our best every day. At the same time, God sees someone who is flawed, who makes mistakes, who sometimes is ill-tempered, who sometimes says things that are hurtful and does things that are hurtful. But the bottom line, I believe, is this, that God loves all of it, that God loves us as we are, the good, the bad, the talent, the weakness, the strength, the flaws. And at the same time, I think God asks us, as the Examen says, to see ourselves as God does, as persons who are flawed yet basically good, trying to do the best we can to love God and love each other. And so I hope that you'll take a few minutes perhaps to reflect on this third suggestion in the Jesuit Examen, to ask for the Spirit's help to see yourself as God does. Thank you so much. Have a great day today.